Any set of ordered pairs is called a relation. Sometimes we want a visual representation of this relation, and so we create mapping diagrams. Let's take a look at this mapping diagram. So this says input, and this is labeled output. If we remember what input often stands for, input stands for X and output stands for Y, then we're able to see what ordered pairs are being represented. So I look at this -1 and I know that that's my X value and it's pointing to this -1, which is my Y value. And that's how I get -1, -1. This arrow is still pointing from -1, but now it's pointing to 5. So that's another ordered pair. And then we have 2, 6, 3, 5, and 5, 9. Let's look at this ordered pair, this mapping diagram. So when I'm looking at this mapping diagram, I remember that input stands for X and output stands for Y. So this one is -4, 1, -2, 3, 0, 5, and then 2 is also pointing to the 5. So that is 2, 5. Just because there's a number there doesn't mean that we have to have that as part of our ordered pairs. Let's look at this mapping diagram. So I have 1, -4, 2, -3, 3, -2, and 3 is also pointing to 0. So 3, 0 is my last ordered pair. One of the things that I want you to recognize is that input can also be called domain. So sometimes you'll see input or domain here, and output will be labeled range. So this is your domain and this is your range. Notice that the numbers are ordered from least to greatest because we like to list our domain and our range from least to greatest. And also that we don't repeat any of our numbers. We don't repeat our domain and we don't repeat our range.